An article of food is tenderized by placing it in water and detonating an explosive in the vicinity thereof. Frightening at first consisted of placing a cat on the cow's back and exploding paper bags once every 10 seconds for 2 minutes. Later, the cat was dispensed with as unnecessary. My result contradicts a previous finding with animals and suggests that sonic booms are likely to be more startling in quiet environments than in noisy ones. One of the reasons for studying the woodpecker was to derive a design for a lightweight hammer. Researchers have given little consideration to vomiting in non-human primates. The body surface of the typical woman may be considered to a sufficient approximation hairless, which is characteristic also of dolphins. We simulated fast starts using a physical model in which a dead flounder was pulled upwards with an acceleration of 95 meters per second. A similar preference for natural mineral water between female college students and rats. Arboreal sprint failure, lizard fall in a California oak woodland, association football on Mars, awakening effects of simulated sonic booms and aircraft noise, basic vibration design to which younger engineers can relate. The washing machine. Clown doctors. Color preference in the insane. Combining kangaroo care with live harp therapy. Courtship behavior of ostriches toward humans under farming conditions in Britain. Crustaceans, sex and sea serpents. Determining the smallest migratory bird native to Britain able to carry a coconut. Dinosaur speed demon. Distinction between heating rate and total heat absorption in the microwave exposed mouse. Double trouble. Drinking hot coffee. Effect of added mass on human unipedal hopping. Estimation of the total surface area in Indian elephants. Example of potentation in genetic traits due to inbreeding. Excess of counterclockwise scalp hair well rotation in homosexual men. The men of the Illustrated London News. Gagging during impression making. Techniques for reduction. Gorge theory of the falling cat. Harassing, annoying, and bad guy identifying chemicals. Harry Potter and the recessive allele. Human digestive effects on a micromammalian skeleton. Long-tailed macacos use human hair as dental floss. Luminous lip prints as criminal evidence. Mitochondrial transformation in yeast by bombardment with microprojectiles. None like it hot. Observations during an itch-inducing lecture. On the glug-glug of ideal bottles. Outstanding memories. The positive and negative effects of nudes on memory. Race differences in the selection of cheese color. Severe infestation of a she-ass with the cat flea. Sonic boom effects on sleep. Stress analysis of a strapless evening gown, and other essays for a scientific age. The cooling power of the pigeon head. The history of freckles in art. The slime ball. Use of salt pork in case of hemorrhage. Why the long face? Ludwig Boltzmann, who spent much of his life studying statistical mechanics, died in 1906 by his own hand. Paul Ehrenfest, carrying on the work, died similarly in 1993. Now it is our turn to study statistical mechanics. Introduction. Feelings? Look, mate, you know who has a lot of feelings? Blokes what bludgeon their wives to death with a golf trophy. Professionals have standards. Quote, The Sniper, Meet the Team series, Valve 2007. The effect of nuclear explosions on commercially packaged beverages, sources of friendship.